Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. A group incremental approach to feature selection applying C4.5 technique. Now we discuss about abstract. So many real dataset increasing dynamically in size. So this phenomenon occurs in several fields including the economic populations. So studies and then medical researches is an effective and efficient mechanism to deal with the such of data. Incremental technique has been proposed in the literature survey and then much attribution which is simulations the result in this paper. So we want to the new concept of we present in our methods in using that we present C4.5 very essential algorithm for achieving this task because of their easy and high performance. Because the decision tree based on entropy and information gain using that C4.5 is to be built the tree by partitions with the highest information gain. It will be give to the more accurate attributes give the result. And then we are using that for category variables we partitions by each level and find the best variable with highest information gain. For continuous variables we find the best cut point to do a binary partition with the highest information gain. In their work they go to the relation find the between the presentations of some methods from this field and then value of some data complexity measures with the aim of defining the best execution method given the data set using only the values of measures computed on this data. So finally we getting the best classifications final result. Find that which person is getting the disease and not getting the disease. We will find the accurate because now we are using that C4.5 algorithm. This is the best one of the algorithm for data mining. Now we discuss about flow diagram. Now start and then dataset choosing and then we go to the dataset pre-processing. So pre-processing we are working at remove the unwanted data and then unwanted means a special character removed and then convert to the structure format. The structure format means convert to the CSV file to text format. So it will be most help to the database side. That way we convert to the dataset format CSV to text format and then load the datasets to the databases and then we are find that weight values. This weight values give to the entropy algorithms. Entropy and IG means information gain. So finally we get the feature selection. Feature selection means is the best attribute from the data and then this best attributes is using that the classifications. So classification finally we are getting the normal person and get abnormal person. Normal person means not have disease, get abnormal person means having the disease and then stop the process. Now discuss about demo. First you click the home page and then right click and then run file. So this is your home page where group incremental approach to feature selections applying a C4.5 technique and then click label. This is your file choosing frame and then choosing the browse button, choosing dataset CSV file. So this is selected file and the file full path and then this is one the file name view. So this datasets we are using that group incremental approaches. Next and then get and then pre-process. So pre-process removed the unwanted special character. So now we read the correct format section. So this dataset is contained the breached dataset. Now file upload and then get file full path and then file name and then choose file uploaded. Now file successfully uploaded. So now we are see about from database and then click next. Find the overlap values. This overlap value is very help to the algorithms. So now click code number and then value. So it is contain the repeat value and then clump thickness. So this is contain 5364. Now choose the 6. 6 is contain the this attribute 34. 3 is contain the 108. Now click the show table. It will be generated then all values details. Click next and then now finding the entropy values. So table. So now you are now main class of choosing the class label and then find entropy. Click next and then find the information gain. The information gain is contained then find the each attribute and then find the threshold value based on this attribute. Click next. Now we getting the these values and then get range value. Find the high information gain. So now we getting that the two attributes. These attributes will be help to the classification process. Get range value. So this range values is based on the these two attributes. These two attributes is display on these locations. Then click next and then now find the range value. So this range value is help to the classification process. So patient ID and then find range. So first patient is getting this value and then 16th patient getting this value. Now we choose show table. So it will be generated the all patients range values up to 1699 and then click next and then classification process. Now click that and then find threshold value. Now get range and then classifications. So classification display on the low and then high. So low ID 1 2. This contain the data sets patients getting low ranges of breast cancer and then this table contain the all patients are confirmed getting the breast cancer. Click next and then now we are choosing that single data. You will put that the find the values. So this is the compute the class. So you are entering any value. Now we are finding the single patients. So now we are getting the all patients and then 1 to 69 data sets. Data sets means the data members of the patient details. Now we are find the single users. So enter the code number. Code number using 1999054 and then clump thickness go to the 8 and then uniform level cell size go to the 5 and then uniform level cell shape 6 margin admissions 4 and then single apron cell size 9 and parent equal 2 and then give 6 normal nucleus 7 and the mitosis 4. Now find the this patients getting the class. The means class labels means and then available person or unavailable person. So now find 2. So 2 means is getting the high values. Sometimes it will be generated on 1. This is low value and then find the graph. Group range. So group range, this is the dynamic. It is based on the dataset values. So low value means 463 persons are low value persons and then high range is these persons are must be getting the breast cancer. These persons are not getting the breast cancer. So this is the final output of graphical representations. That's all.